Hello everyone! Today I'm bringing you a full process operation guide for the T10 Smart Thermostat. Overing APP binding, scene configuration, and timer on or off settings, it's simple and easy to follow. After the T10 is started for the first time, network configuration is required. Connect your phone and T10 to the same central control panel network to prevent network setup failure. Pull down from the top of the T10 screen. Find and tap Settings, select Smart Home. Enter Device Pairing, tap Pairing. Open the Tuya APP. Go to the Central Control Panel Gateway page. Tap Gateway. Select Add Device below. Wait for the APP to automatically search for the T10 device. Following the integration of the T10 into the gateway. The subsequent phase involves initiating scene customization. Navigate to the T10 control interface. Select Scene Customization. Select the target scenario. Select Scene Binding. Should a custom name be required, select Scene Name to perform modifications. Any name modifications made in this interface will be synchronized to the T10 device terminal. Upon completion of configuration, the updated scene name will be synchronized and presented on the T10 display terminal, and the corresponding preset scene can be triggered with one-click operation. Within the T10 control interface, navigate to Timer Configuration, select Add Timer Task. Configure the startup and shutdown time of target device's air conditioning or fresh air ventilation or underfloor heating system according to actual requirements. A repeat cycle can also be configured as required. Upon saving the configuration, the device will automatically start and shut down at the preset time points, realizing intelligent temperature control with convenience and energy conservation. Finish these basic configurations to unleash the T10E's smart temperature capabilities. One-click scenes and scheduled operations blend comfort with energy savings, building your ideal personalized smart living space.